And now I'm gonna wait. Oh yeah, I want to tell you this thing. In my previous video, I show you how to get Martyr 1x part 1. I'm not gonna continue that. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna continue it, but not now. Alright, I'm just gonna try to get another skin for now because I'm too lazy to get that 1x skin. Bro, I spent 2 hours and that's it. Then I'm not get anything from the 2 hours, bro. Not even finishing the chapter 1. Alright, guys. So now I'm gonna show you how to get the cool one. I mean, yeah, it's cool. Wait, no. Yes, it's Ultra Kill Quest. As Quest successfully block a killer's attack and then land a punch and then together. I mean, that is a parry. I know you also know what's parry mean. Yes, we block and punch right after. So I'm just gonna use the Gwesty, the Gwesty. Alright, let's get into it. I'm just gonna try to block and now, bro. He had Martyr 1x. That's what I want to showcase, bro. But I don't have it. Anyways, there we are. Let's try to get the bait. Alright. I think by the way, if the killer is 1x, you can parry him when he's using the when he using the like. No, I miss it. Like I'm just gonna wait again. I mean the elite is gonna die. Yo, the animation is very cool, bro. I want to pick. No. Oh shit. This doesn't even not make so she is I mean she is a woman, right? Alright. Yes, wait until he use the mission section 1. So the animation is very cool. No. Nice. Alright, I'm just gonna show you again when the match is done, and I'm not get parry this match, so I think I am no bad quest. Anyways, I'm gonna wait. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna skip until the match is end. What? I'm at the match. The killer is Slasher, by the way. White pumpkin. White pumpkin. That's nice. Is she gonna die? Is she gonna die? Is she gonna die? Yep, yep. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Oh. 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 Whoa. Get the out. That's a cool problem. Get this, boys. Very nice. It's, I shall be get the skin right now. So let's finish him up. I mean, let's see if I can win. I died because sukas. So I'm gonna show you the skin right now. This is the skin. The Ultra Kill Quest. Let's showcase it and also playing some match with it. Oh guys, I'm at the match now and I'm lagging. Alright, this is the Ultra Kill Quest. In the previous version, before its update, the quest used like something like Google's or something like that. By the way, there is nothing changed, but the only thing that changed is blocking sound. So let's okay, wait. I'm in forward. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? Where is she? Bro. Where is he, bro? Where is the horseman? Bro. I lose him. Anyways, let's get some sukars. Good. And boom. I really didn't know where is he. So, because I can't show you how the sound block looks like, I mean, that sound like. So I'm just gonna tell you the block sounds like parry attack in Ultra Kill, like ting, like that, like that. So I'm just gonna show you. I mean, I think I'm gonna end this video here. So thank you guys for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. or I'm gonna come to your house.